Welcome to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. The tech world is abuzz with excitement as the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues to generate a flurry of rumors and leaks ahead of its official unveiling. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to showcase a slew of innovative features, and fans are eager to see what surprises lie in store. A new design era, sharp corners, and boxy aesthetics. One of the standout features of the leaked image is the Galaxy Z Fold 6's sharp corners, giving it a more boxy and modern aesthetic compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Wider cover display. A game changer, the inclusion of a wider aspect ratio cover display is another exciting development. This change addresses one of the main criticisms of the Galaxy Z Fold series, the narrow cover display, which made typing and note-taking somewhat challenging. Enhanced viewing experience. Larger displays. The leaked images suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature larger displays, both on the cover and the main screen. While the increase in display size may not be significant, it is expected to provide a better viewing experience for users. Ridge design around rear camera lenses. A controversial choice. One of the more intriguing aspects of the leaked images is the new ridge design surrounding the rear camera lenses. This design, which was first spotted in a leaked photo of one of the camera lenses a few days ago, has sparked mixed reactions among tech enthusiasts. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 design is a significant departure from its predecessors. The sharper corners and boxy aesthetic give it a more modern and sleek appearance. Display enhancements. The most notable enhancement in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the wider cover display. This change addresses a common complaint about the narrow cover displays in previous models. Camera innovation. The new ridge design around the rear camera lenses is a bold choice by Samsung. While opinions are divided, it certainly adds a unique touch to the phone's design. Camera innovations. The new ridge design around the rear camera lenses is a bold choice by Samsung. While opinions are divided, it certainly adds a unique touch to the phone's design. Performance and software. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to come with a new chip and updated software, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. Variants and customization. The launch of multiple variants, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Z Fold 6 Slim, indicates Samsung's strategy to cater to different segments of the market. Price and availability. With a price tag expected to exceed $1,500, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is positioned as a premium device. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to redefine the foldable phone category with its innovative design, enhanced displays, and improved performance. The leaks and rumors have painted an exciting picture of what we can expect from this highly anticipated device. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed coverage of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event promises to be a milestone in the world of mobile technology, and we can't wait to see what surprises are in store. Get ready for the future of foldable phones with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's going to be an exciting journey.